Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the iPhone is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Each iPhone frame is engineered from high-grade aluminum, shaped with micron-level precision.
Check the feed rate on line 3. It dipped slightly.
Adjusting the override now, bringing it back up to spec.
Every iPhone is assembled and tested to meet exact performance standards.
And that's how the iPhone is made, from start to finish.